how to repair your USB-C charging cable. In this video, I will show you how you can repair your USB charging cable before you throw it away and buy a new one. Before we start, I will show you the tools you will need to repair this cable. You will need a soldering iron, a cutter, soldering wire, side cutter, wire stripper, multimeter, and a lighter or a heat gun. Last but not least, heat shrink tubes. Or if you don't have the heat shrink tubes, you can use electrical tape. Before we start to repair, you will need to identify the problem. The only problem that this USB-C cable has, it is damaged around here, this place. The other side, it's okay. Let me show you. This side, it's okay. To me, it feels okay, but we will check it later. But now we need to first cut the damaged part. Then I will use my wire stripper. There are 4 wires, and this is red, black, green, and then white. 5 volt positive, 5 volt negative, and D5 plus, D5 minus. Before we start the soldering process, we will need to check this side if it's okay. In this case, I will use my power bank. Be careful this side not to touch each other. Then my multimeter. This is a red one and a black one. So let's try it. Be careful not to, these wires not to get in contact with each other. So 5 volts output. So it shows that this side it's okay. We apply the solder to make a joint. Try to make the solder joints short and clean. I will try to recycle this connector because to me it seems okay instead of buying another one. So we'll use the cutter to take off these PVC sides clearly, and then I will use my side cutter for the hard parts. Be careful not to cut your fingers or yourself. Be gentle because we'll need this. Then next, this part is very important, so be careful. This is the remaining part. This is the part I use the side cutter. When I was taking the hard part, the PVC part out, I accidentally cut this section on the motherboard, but it has some left section. Let's hope that it works. apply solder on the joints. Completed soldering this part, and if this will not work, I will have to look for another connector. So let's hope that this will work. I will charge this hair trimmer and let's test it with it. Yeah, it's working. Glue gun to apply glue. Be careful on the connection. After that, I will use a heat shrink tube for this section. This last part maybe damaged the connection, but I hope this is still working. You need a power bank, then a hair trimmer. Okay, this cable is specific charging this hair trimmer. It's working. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question or inquiries regarding this video, please leave a comment. And if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed to Sedo Kingdom, don't forget to subscribe to Sedo Kingdom, like, share for more tech repairs and life hacks like this. See you in the next video.